Anong pangalan pa product natin? Perfect White. So, Doc, Perfect White and White Light are both whitening products, definitely people. So, what's the difference? This one contains L-cysteine peptide. L-cysteine peptide, a component of gluta in tablet form. So, how are you going to use the product? In tablet form, take it first, guys. As it goes inside your stomach, they will stimulate again our liver to produce more glutathione. Are we clear? So, this one will also be converted to become glutathione. Now, sino mas mabilis na malabdok? Definitely, it's White Light. Why? By itself, it's already glutathione. But guys, pag tumalab na pong Perfect White, this is said to be 3 to 5 times more potent with vitamin C and with Botox effect. Botox effect. Maliwanag. Ito first time na rin. Brad, how young? 16. Grabe ang bata, no? Gano'n ka bata? 20. Ito, pwede na 21. Gumamit ka na ba nito? Gamit ka. 21, pag gamit mo ito, 1 ka na lang. Maliwanag. Ikaw, mawawala ka sa mundo. Maliwanag. Nabira lang pa. Kaklarify ko lang. 20 years younger means anti-aging, for it will delay the aging process through Botox effect. Yon. Guys, if all of us will use Perfect White, para po tayong binotox, tama? Hindi po binatak ha binotox. Maliwanag po tayo. Why again? We have 2 components for this. Oh, listen people, listen. First, cysteine. Part of keratin. Sa anatomy po, yung keratin po is part ng skin natin that will prevent the bacteria nor the harmful chemicals from damaging your body. Maliwanag po. Pangalawa, dito po sikat ng mga Japanese scientists. Isigaw natin ha. Ang tawag po dito is astaxanthin. Again guys, let's say it loud. Astaxanthin. King of carotenoids, the one with anti-wrinkle properties. Tama? Dok, okay pala. When are we going to use it? Kung gagamitin mong anti-wrinkle, start at 28 years old and above. If you're going to use this as an antioxidant, start as early as 18 years old. So, brother, hindi ka pa talaga pwede. Maliwanag po. So, yun ang pinakabata, 18 years old. Now, Doc, how much per day are we going to take? Okay? Simple po. Once in the morning and once in the evening, tama? Pero people, eto po talaga, kung gusto mo talaga, sagaran ng batakan ng muka, sagarin mo na ho. Maliwanag ko tayo na po. So, Doc, ilan po? 4 tablets per day. Pero guys, in all honesty, sabi po ng mga Japanese scientists, 4 tablets of Perfect White per day within 6 to 8 weeks, will lower down your bad cholesterol and can improve your good cholesterol. So, Doc, pampaputi, antioxidant, anti-wrinkle, tapos maganda pa sa cardiovascular system? Yes. Saan talaga po? Maganda mo pa ang produktong Perfect White ng ngayong global? Yes. Palapakan na nga natin ang malasan, guys. Tama tayo. Okay. Etong susunod na picture, I'm sure, ito yung paborito sa akin ng mga member, hindi nyo na ako makakalimutan. Ito po yung pinakamagandang picture natin. Guys, para magandang usapan, titigan nyo po ito na sabay-sabay. Maganda po ito.